Have you ever felt like you're not alone in your own mind? Do you talk to yourself? Is it normal? Do you believe that talking to yourself is a sign of madness? Or perhaps it goes deeper than mere insanity? Maybe talking to oneself is a form of therapy, a window connecting us to the thoughts and emotions buried within. In silence, we find a voice within ourselves that may be heard through self-talk. It is in these moments that we truly get to know ourselves. Let us open ourselves to embrace our individuality. Speak to yourself with courage and believe that we are not alone on this journey. So, is it normal to talk to oneself? Perhaps the better question is it normal not to? So, embrace self-talk with love and understanding, for in the silence we find our true voice.